What is going on, guys? My name is Dimitri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create nested columns in Notion, as well as just make those things work, because let's be honest, columns are a little bit finicky in Notion. All right, guys, so let's dive right into what you can and cannot do in Notion regarding nested columns. So first, what you can't do, there is a situation that occurs when you're trying to drag different things. So this whole setup is really nice in the sense that I have a bunch of different columns that are kind of nested within each other. And you can take different things and make them look how you want them to. However, you just can't drag things like inline databases wherever you want. So as you can see, everything's set up like this, and I'm gonna go and show you what you can't do really quick. So if we duplicate some of these databases really quickly, I'm gonna show you an example of what you can't do. So if we take all these guys down here, this is what the situation looks like regarding having multiple inline databases and not having the capability to drag them probably how you want. So as you can see, if we take something like this, we cannot drag it to the left or the right of this other inline database here. We can't take this inline database and move it to the side of even this text/toggle block. And the reason for that is honestly because Notion just hasn't made the functionality yet. And unfortunately, that's just the case. However, there are a few workarounds to make this happen, which I'll show you guys really quickly. So what you can do is first and foremost, make the columns by dragging specific blocks like this. So you can have some text blocks. So what I end up usually doing is putting a header like habit tracker and content ideas, and then putting a divider. I mean, you don't have to put the divider, but this is just kind of the organization I'm showing. And as you can see, if we take this guy and drag it, we can put it under there and that'll nest the column, as well as if we take this one, it'll put there as well. And a solution actually, if we want to go back, would be to take this and turn it into a page. Take this and turn it into a page. Then make them side by side of each other. And then turn it into an inline. Turn it into an inline. And that's the way that you can nest things in columns in Notion. Now, what's really nice now is the fact that you actually have a new update within Notion that changes the game regarding columns. So beforehand, you were not able to copy and paste columns. If you were to copy these, I might actually duplicate them to show what would happen. So if I duplicate these, you can see they all just kind of go in the same row. That's what would used to happen if you were to copy and paste columns in Notion. However, now if you copy paste, it will actually create columns within Notion right below it. So that kind of fixes some of the issues that Notion used to have, and I think will hopefully make your ease of use regarding columns a little bit better in Notion. Go check out the stuff over there. I'd appreciate it. I don't know, wherever there's gonna be a playlist, please go check that out. I'd really appreciate it. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.